Welcome to our English Vocab listening channel. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to order at a coffee shop, specifically at Starbucks. In this video, you will follow a friendly story about two friends learning to order drinks in English. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English much more deeply. Here is the question. What is the smallest cup size called at Starbucks? The answer is hidden in the conversation, so keep your ears open. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section below. Writing your answer in English is a great way to improve your skills effectively. All right, are you ready to start the video? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina, over here.
Oh, hi, Sam. I'm so sorry. Am I late?
No, you are perfectly on time. Are you ready to go inside?
To be honest, I am a little nervous. I have never ordered anything in English at Starbucks before.
Oh, don't worry about that at all. It is actually really easy, I promise. You only need to know a few simple words to get what you want.
Only a few words? But what if the staff talks too fast? What if I don't understand their questions?
That is a good point, but the questions at Starbucks are always the same. Once you learn them, you will understand the barista every single time.
The same questions every time? Okay, that makes me feel much better.
Yes, and I'm going to teach you all of them today, so really don't worry.
I always look at the menu, but there are so many things. I never know what to say.
I know, the menu can look a bit overwhelming at first, but the secret is you don't need to know everything on there. Just learn a few key words and you will be perfectly fine.
Okay, so what are we going to do today?
First, we will look at the menu together, and I will explain the sizes and the drinks. Then, I want you to try to order by yourself.
By myself? Oh, that sounds a little scary.
It's not scary at all, I promise. I will be standing right next to you the whole time. After you order, I will order my drink too, so you can watch me. Then we will sit down together and talk about everything we learned.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan.
Great. Let's head inside.
Let's go.
All right, here is the menu. What do you see?
I see latte, coffee, and cappuccino. Those words I know. But what about the sizes? I don't understand them.
Good question. At Starbucks, the sizes are a little different. The small size is actually called tall.
Wait, tall? But tall usually means big, right? Why is the small size called tall?
I know it is confusing, but that is just the Starbucks name. In this shop, tall is the smallest choice. The medium size is called grande.
Grande. That sounds like Spanish or Italian.
Yes, I think it is Italian, and the large size is called venti.
Okay, let me check. So tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
Exactly, you got it. You don't need to say small or medium, just use tall, grande, or venti.
Got it. Tall, grande, and venti. I can remember that.
Perfect. So, what kind of drink should you get today?
I'm not sure. What do you like?
Well, do you like strong coffee or do you prefer something with milk?
I definitely like milky drinks. What exactly is a latte?
A latte is just coffee with a lot of steamed milk. It is very smooth and easy to drink. It's a very popular choice. If you like sweet or creamy drinks, a latte is a great way to start.
What about a cappuccino? Is it the same as a latte?
Not quite. They are a little different. I will explain the details later. For today, let's start with a simple latte. It's the easiest drink to order.
Okay, a latte sounds perfect for me.
And what size will you have?
I will get a tall latte.
Nice choice. Do you want any sugar in your drink?
Can I ask for sugar when I order at the counter?
You can, but usually there is a small counter with sugar and milk over there. You can add the sugar yourself after you get your drink.
Oh, that is very convenient. I will add my sugar later then.
Good idea. Oh, and one more quick thing. You can actually change the milk for free at some stores.
Change the milk? What do you mean by that?
Well, you can ask for different milk, like soy milk, oat milk, or almond milk. Sometimes it is free, and sometimes there is a small extra charge. It usually depends on the store and the country you are in.
Oh, that is nice to know. But today, I will keep it simple and use regular milk.
Good idea. Now, here's a very useful tip about ordering. Saying, I want a latte is not wrong, but can I get a latte sounds much more polite.
Oh, really? So, can I get is a better way to say it?
Yes, it's not that I want is bad, but can I get is what most people use. It sounds very friendly and natural at coffee shops.
Can I get a tall latte? That is easy, right?
Exactly. Just remember, can I get plus the size plus the drink name.
Can I get a tall latte? Okay, I think I can do this.
You definitely can. Let's walk up to the counter now.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a tall latte, please?
Sure thing. Would you like that drink hot or iced?
Oh, hot, please.
One hot latte. Got it. And is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. Can I get a name for your order?
Mina.
Mina? Perfect. Oh, and just so you know, if you order a regular coffee today, you can get a discounted refill while you are in the store.
A refill? You mean I can get another coffee for a cheaper price?
Yes, exactly. If you stay in the store, you can get another cup of regular coffee at a lower price. It's a really good deal.
Oh, that is very good to know. But today I'll just have the latte. Thank you for telling me.
No problem at all. Would you like to add any food? We have fresh cookies, cakes, and sandwiches.
Oh, no thank you. Just the latte today.
Okay, your total is $4.50. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Great. Go ahead and tap right here. Perfect. You can wait at the end of the counter for your drink.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mina. Enjoy.
Hi there. What can I get for you today? Hey, can I get a grande iced latte with soy milk, please? A grande iced soy latte. You got it. Would you like any sweetener with that? No sweetener, thank you. But can I also get a chocolate chip cookie? Of course. So that is a grande iced soy latte and a chocolate chip cookie. Would you like the cookie warmed up? Oh, yes, please. Warmed up sounds great. Sure thing. Is that for here or to go? For here, please. Great. And can I get a name, please? Sam. Sam, got it. Your total is $7.20. Sure. Can I pay with a card? Of course. Just tap or insert your card right here. Great. Here you go. Thank you. Sam, your drink and cookie will be ready at the end of the counter in just a moment. Perfect. Thanks a lot.
Sam, I did it! I ordered in English.
You did great. Your English was really good. How did it feel?
It was much easier than I thought. The barista spoke slowly and clearly, so I could understand everything.
That is good to hear. Most baristas are used to talking to many different people, so they are usually easy to understand.
By the way, the barista asked for my name. Is that normal?
Yes, at Starbucks, they always ask for your name. They write it on your cup so they don't mix up the orders. When your drink is ready, they will call your name out loud.
Oh, so I just need to listen for Mina?
Exactly. When you hear your name, you can just say yes or that's me and pick it up.
That's me. I like that. It is very easy to remember. But what if they say my name wrong?
That happens sometimes. Don't worry about it. If the name sounds close to yours, it is probably your drink. You can just go and take it.
Okay, I will listen very carefully.
Good idea. Oh, and do you remember you asked me about a cappuccino earlier?
Oh, yes. You said you would explain the difference later.
Sure. So, a latte is made with espresso and a lot of steamed milk. It is very smooth and creamy. A cappuccino also has espresso, but it has less milk and a lot of foam on top.
Foam? Like bubbles?
Yes, like soft, fluffy milk bubbles on top. It feels very light.
I see. So a latte is smooth and milky, and a cappuccino is lighter with more foam.
Exactly. And regular coffee is the simplest of all. It is just coffee and water. No milk, no foam.
So the coffee taste is much stronger in a regular coffee.
That is a great way to put it.
I want to try a cappuccino next time. The foam sounds very nice.
You should. There are so many different drinks to try. You can even get tea at Starbucks if you don't want coffee.
Oh, they have tea too? I did not know that.
Yes, they have green tea, black tea, and many other kinds. You can order tea the same way. You just say, "Can I get a tall green tea?"
That is really useful. The same phrase works for everything.
Precisely. That is why "can I get" is such a powerful phrase.
I really like that phrase. It's short, it's polite, and it works for any drink, even for food, right?
Yes, I used it to order my cookie. I said, "Can I also get a chocolate chip cookie?"
Oh, that's right. I heard you say that. So, can I get is really the most important phrase of the day.
100%.
This latte is actually really good.
I am so glad you like it. So, how was the whole experience? Was it hard?
Honestly, it was much easier than I expected. I was so worried before, but the phrases are really simple, aren't they?
Exactly. Let's go over what you learned today. What is the most important phrase?
Can I get plus the drink? Like, can I get a tall latte?
Yes, that is the key phrase. You can use it for any drink at all. Can I get a grande coffee? Or can I get a venti cappuccino? It always works.
And for the size, I just remember tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
Perfect. And what about when the barista asks you a question?
They might ask hot or iced, and I just answer hot please or iced please.
Good. And what is the other common question?
For here or to go. If I want to stay, I say for here. If I want to leave, I say to go.
You remembered everything. And what about your name?
When they ask for my name, I just say Mina, and when they call it, I say that's me.
You are getting really good at this, Mina.
Thank you. I feel much more confident now.
That is what matters most. And honestly, you can use these phrases at Starbucks anywhere in the world.
Really? The same phrases work everywhere?
Yes, Starbucks is mostly the same in every country. The sizes, the menu, and the ordering style are almost identical. So once you learn how to order here, you can do it in America, Europe, or anywhere else.
That is really nice. If I travel, I can use the same English. That gives me so much confidence.
And you know what? If you can order at Starbucks, you can order at other coffee shops too. The style is very similar.
Oh, that is true. The phrases are almost the same at any cafe, right?
Yes, can I get works everywhere. All right, let me give you a quick summary. Number 1, use can I get to order. Number 2, remember the sizes: tall, grande, venti. Number 3, answer hot or iced and for here or to go. And number 4, tell them your name when they ask. That's it. Just those 4 things.
I can't believe it is that simple. Thank you so much, Sam. I learned a lot today.
How was it for you? I truly hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the smallest cup size called at Starbucks? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section below. By practicing your English like this, you will improve your skills much faster. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading more videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment to say hi. I also offer channel memberships if you would like to support us even more. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.